Hello everyone. If you have ever wondered why Nigerian pasta jollof rice tastes better than what you cook at home, my friends, please stay tuned because today I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve that Owambe level party smoky jollof rice step by step. So let's go grab your aprons, let's go. But before I proceed, you be seeing my special recipes. And those special recipes are the beef and the tomato mix, that's tomato pepper mix. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve that tomato pepper mix at the end of this video. So I have put my pot on fire and I've added it coconut oil that I used as vegetable oil, and I've added chopped onions. The special thing about this vegetable oil is that I had used it to fry beef and chicken already, so it's got that meaty depth and it's going to be adding to the jollof rice. It's gonna be adding a very special taste to this jollof rice. So I have added chopped onions, I've added dehydrated onions, and I'm adding nutmeg powder. And here I am adding tomato paste. This tomato paste, a very important information that you need to get about this tomato paste is that you will have to fry. You will have to fry. What did I say? You are going to fry and fry and fry until you see the oil floating on the surface of the tomato paste. Yes, that is the original flavor that it gives. That is the original taste. That's where the original taste comes from. So here I've added bay leaf, then I've added thyme and curry. That's what I just added right now. And you keep frying, you fry, you fry. Get what I mean? You just keep frying, stir it till you're very sure that the color is beginning to darken. But for now, I'm adding extra tomato paste because I feel the quantity isn't enough for 9 Dericas of rice, so I added more time, and continuously I still added this was jollof mix, yes, by allspice. I kept, you can see the oil has floated and the color has changed, so I've added my tomato pepper mix. And to be very special, I told you I'm going to show you how I prepared this. You will love to see it, so just stick to this video towards the end. I'm going to show you. So we are stirring this tomato and pepper mix together with the tomato paste. This time you will love the outcome of this particular tomato mix, the flavor. Oh my god, if you are here you will understand that the flavor is really nice, because in this tomato mix I added garlic, ginger and a lot of other ingredients to give it this nice tasty aroma. And this is the mix, the stock, yes, the beef and chicken stock. I've added it and I'm trying to get a particular taste. So the chicken, I had to add it to the sauce so I could get it to sink into the chicken. And after that I scooped it out and continued with my party jollof rice. That is just part of what you can do. You can decide to make your sauce separately and mix it together with the chicken. You can decide to serve your chicken that way. But I would like doing something different, yes. So here I've added to the rice. That's what we're about to do. I've added the remaining meat stock and I'm going to be adding water. Adding water means it's not River Niger. When you're adding water to your jollof rice, you know your jollof rice cooks with steam. So you don't need to add a whole river of water into your pot because you're cooking jollof rice. You're not cooking floating rice. So most especially when it's party jollof rice. So here I've added all the seasoning. Those seasoning I have curry, thyme, paprika, I have coconut flavor, and I have bouillon cubes, and I have salt, I have benny. Everything is all incorporated into this sauce. And I've added my party jollof and I've added rice. I'm actually adding the rice gradually because I don't want it to splash. So here I'm going to be turning the whole bowl into the pot. I was contemplating if it's going to be much, but I decided to pour everything at once. And here it's going smoothly, and I'll have to turn it a bit and cover it. Then check it back while I wrap my moi. I have moi that I was doing at this moment, so I had to cover it and continue with the moi that I was wrapping. So continuously, you don't need to stir it for too long, but just cover it and allow it to cook on a normal heat, not too high, not too low. So I didn't parboil this rice. I only soaked it in hot water, washed it with salt. I didn't parboil it, and it's short going well. So here I'm trying to check to see how far it has gone, and gradually the ingredients are really incorporating well. So I have to add some brilliant cubes to it, and this is it. Doesn't make It doesn't really take so much time to prepare chapati jollof rice, but what you need complete ingredients. So here I've added butter and onions. We are almost done here. Cover it and allow it to steam and allow it to burn a little. It has to burn. It has to burn to give you that smokiness. And this is how we are able to achieve. Oh my god, I'm trying to taste it to see how tasty it is. Oh my gosh. So this is it. And it ended well. The important thing is that after delivering this rice, I got a lot of reviews from my children, from my husband, from the clients, from everybody. They were just saying, yummy, 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 mommy, you're the best. Mommy, you're the best. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the color I am talking about. This is the color. This is the color. This is the party jollof rice. So it's time to dish. I didn't really take much time dishing this rice, but the aroma kept calling my neighbors. The aroma kept calling everybody. They were coming down to peep, and I was like, it's me, oh, it's me. I am sorry. I was the one disturbing all the people. I am the one disturbing all my neighbors. I am sorry. It's just jollof rice. So I equally had my order, and I'm wrapping my hair. For me, cooking is never a problem because I love cooking, and that was why I took this job. Not for any reason, but because I love what I do. If you love my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. I am growing this channel gradually by sharing what I love doing. So this is the outcome of our moi, and we also made special abacha, and all was delivered same time, same day. So this is me encouraging you to keep sharing whatever you love doing. It's actually a beautiful thing because you have the skills, you don't have to hide it. Just keep sharing it and keep letting people know what you can do. One or two person I actually learn from what you do, and this is me telling you that it's really worth it because it makes you happy. Whatever you choose to do, whatever you choose to do, and you love doing it, just do it well and let your work show, let your work tell, let your work speak for you. So we are done, and I have to deliver the food to my clients. So at the end of the video, like I promised to, I have the tomato pepper mix. This is my garlic. How I prepared it was garlic, ginger, bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some tomatoes and onions. I added sprinkled vegetable oil and baked it for minutes or hours and allowed it to steam and dry and burn a bit. That's where that smokiness comes from. That's what gives the rice a very tasty, smoky, and nice flavor. Nice flavor. I mean nice flavor. Thank you for watching. Keep doing what you love doing. Bye. Don't forget to like my channel. Don't forget to always do what you love doing. Don't keep your talent. Don't keep your skill. Don't hide it. Nothing beats showing what you love doing.